Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a new spread in my art journal and I'm playing with our brand new stamps. I have a link in the description box to our blog where you can have a look on the sets and also see some samples we have created. All stamps can be pre-ordered now for 10% off and we start shipping on the 10th of April. I just want to share the new stamp sets quickly with you. This one is the Things with Wings stamp set and it's made by drawings from my friend Melina. The next one is the Grungy Butterflies stamp sets in the small version. And we also have a big version for these. And they have different sentiments and I am sure they will look very good combined together on a card or on a art journal page. The last set we are releasing are a mix of sentiments, and this is something I wanted to have forever. This stamp is not meant to be cut into 100 words, it's meant to be stamped completely on a piece of paper. You can emboss it, you can use black and white, you can use white embossing powder, you can use pattern papers, and after that you can cut the words that you want to add to your projects. Now let's move on to the art journal page I'm creating today. I'm working on the Arteza watercolor paper and I'm using the back side of it because it's very smooth and perfect for stamping. I don't have add any gesso to it and I start by creating some texture with our vintage script stamp. I will also add some of the new sentiments from the Grungy Butterflies randomly, because it's the same font that the Create on the vintage script stamp has and I think they match perfectly. You have different options to mount our rubber stamps. We sell them unmounted. And you can use cling cushion as I've used on the stamp before, but our newer stamps will stick to an acrylic block on its own. You just have to make sure that the stamp backside is completely clean and also your acrylic block. If I have some dust on it, I just use a baby wipe and clean the backside and also my acrylic block. After I'm finished with my background stamping, I use a stencil from STAMPlorations and add texture paste to it. When everything is completely dry, it's time to add the Brushos powders. I start by sprinkling the powders onto the dry surface and then I go in with my water spray bottle. I wanted to add some shimmer to my page, so I'm using the Colorcraft Aztec metallic paints and add them with a brush just randomly to the areas where the colors are matching. My focal point on this page will be one of the big Grungy Butterflies. I've stamped it with Archival Ink to watercolor paper and I just color it quickly with Brushos powders. After I've heat set the butterfly, I cut it out. I'm using the Nuvo Shimmer Pen to add a little bit of shimmer to the black areas of the butterfly. To complete the page, I cut a tab with a die from a leftover background and add 2 of the sentiments from our Mix the Sentiment sets. I wanted to add some gold to the background, so I'm painting some of the leaves from the stenciled image with a Sennelier gold oil pastel. To finish up the page, I glue everything down and I add the word fly with some wooden letters. That was my page for today. If you're interested in our new stamps, just check the link in the description box. I hope you see us next time. Bye bye!